Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple and beginner friendly flower. For this pattern, I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook, a loose slip knot. So now start with chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make double crochet 2. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet 3. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 4 and complete total 12 double crochet stitches including chain 3. After completing 12 double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and then go at the top of chain 3. For the second row, I'm going to change the color of yarn. So make a slip stitch with the other color yarn, and after making a slip stitch, first of all make a knot here to secure your work, and after making a knot, simply take these 2 yarn ends between your stitches while working and start your second round with chain 3 again, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, and then by wrapping the yarn, go into the same stitch again, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now pull this ending yarn, again wrap the yarn, go into the second double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, go into the next one and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. So simply make 2 double crochet stitches into 1 stitch and complete 24 double crochet stitches including chain 3. After completing 24 double crochet stitches, I have cutted the extra yarn, go at the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch with the other color yarn and again make a knot to secure your work and then start your next row, make chain 1 Go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch, and then make chain 4. After making chain 4, skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next one and make a single crochet stitch, then again make chain 4, skip 2 stitches, into the next one make a single crochet, again make chain 4, skip 2 stitches, into the next one make a single crochet, repeat this pattern till the end of the row. After completing, now we are going to make our petal. So take this 2 yarn tail between your stitches while working, and first of all make a slip stitch into the chain 4 space, and then make chain 2, go into the same chain 4 space by wrapping the yarn, and then pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, pull the stitches to make a space, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and double crochet 8. After completing 8 double crochet stitches, make chain 2, go into the same space and make a slip stitch. This is our first petal. After completing one petal, go into the next single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch, and then go into the next chain 4 space and make a slip stitch. Now again start your second petal with chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into the chain 4 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and double crochet 8. Then make chain 2. After making chain 2, go into the same chain 4 space and make a slip stitch, then go into the next single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. So this is our second petal. Repeat the same pattern till the end. So friends, after completing all the petals, I have slip stitch into this first single crochet stitch, and by pulling the extra yarn I have cutted the extra yarn. Now with the help of this needle we are going to weave this ending yarn. So take your yarn to the back side. After taking your yarn to the back side, first of all make a knot to secure your work. And after making a knot, simply weave your extra yarn to some backside stitches of a petal, and then cut the extra yarn. So our flower is ready. You can see it's very simple and easy 8-petal flower. So if you like this flower, must try it. If you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.